I am Dr. Chandrika H.S., working as a consultant in Chirag Hospital, JP Nagar, second phase, Bangalore. Now we are coming into winter season now, so it is a opt question for the public to ask this particular thing. See, there is some particular pregnancy care which has to be taken in winter, and one thing is in our Indian continent, in our particular area where we are staying, there is no extreme changes of weather actually, and nowadays Bangalore has become more warm and there is not much of cold. But what I want to tell you is there are problems that can happen in winter. One of the things that can happen in winter in pregnancy is growth retardation of the fetus. So you have to take better care of yourself. How do you do this? It is by taking proper balanced diet. You have to take proper amount of fruits, vegetables, proteins, etc. You have to be particularly aware that these nutrition is needed for the baby that you are growing in your womb. And by taking care, and also your mood and your you should not be depressed and you should have good active lifestyle so that you will not produce a baby with growth retardation. This is one of the things that can happen in winter season due to coldness. Other than this is one thing which is mentioned in the textbooks. And other than that, what I have seen in my experiences, in during winter, if you do not take care properly, I have seen people going into unwanted abortions, means they land in abortions, spontaneous abortions. And so much, one more thing, most commonly I have seen is there is increase in cases of high BP in pregnant ladies during winter. And one more thing is so many times people go into premature labor, means they deliver earlier than their date because of the weather conditions of severe cold. So these are the things that you have to be careful. And that is how I recommend my patients who are pregnant to take extra care that they are warmly dressed up, warmly covered, so that they'll not be exposed to too much of cold. And that way you have to avoid the complications of winter that can happen to your pregnancy. That is for you also and for your baby that is growing in your womb.